Good morning, students. In ninth class, we are doing chapter number 7, that is called triangles, and we are doing exercise 7.2. उसके जो फर्स्ट फोर क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर मूविंग विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में वी हैव गिवन दैट टू ट्रायंगल्स ए बी सी एंड बी डी सी. Both triangles are isosceles triangle. So AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to DC. What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. So how we can prove it? Let's take a look. In proof, first of all, we are taking a triangle ABC. Here AB is equals to AC. So you know very well that if two sides are equal, then their corresponding opposite angles are also equal. So AB is equals to AC. So angle ABC and angle ACB, both angles are equal. So both angles are equal. We are marking it as equation number 1. Now similarly in triangle BDC, you know that BD is equals to DC given, it is given, and corresponding opposite angles are also equal. So angle DBC and DCB, so both angles are also equal, and mark it as a equation number 2. So add equation 1 and second. So what we write, that ABC plus angle DBC is equals to ACB plus angle DCB. Then when you add these two angles, what we get? ABC plus DBC, so we get full angle ABD. Similarly, when we add these two angles, we get full angle ACD. So that is ACD, and hence it's our proof. Now in question number 6, we have given that ABC is a isosceles triangle, so that AB is equals to AC. Then we produce the side BA up to D such that AD is equals to BC. So basically we have two isosceles triangles. Now we have to prove that angle BCD is a right angle triangle. So this angle 90 degree will be at angle C. So first of all, we are taking a triangle ABC. Here you know that AB is equals to AC, so their corresponding angles are also equal. So angle ABC and ACB, so both angles are equal. Equation number 1. Now we are taking external angle of this triangle, that is DAC, and you know very well what is the external angle sum property, that is external angle is always equals to sum of internal opposite two angles. So DAC angle, that is equals to angle ABC and angle ACB. So this is the two angles, but you know very well that ABC angles is equals to ACB. So we put on the place of ABC we put ACB. Here ACB are for 2 times, so just add it. We get 2 angle ACB, that is equation number 1. Now in triangle ACD, now we are taking a triangle ACD. Here AD is equals to AC, so corresponding angles are also equal. So angle ADC and angle ACD are equal, that is equation number 3. Now we are also apply their external angle property BAC. So this angle is equals to sum of internal opposite two angles. So this one angle and this one angle. BAC is equals to ADC plus ACD. Alright, but here you know that angle ADC is equals to angle ACD, so we put ACD instead of angle ADC. So just we have put add these two numbers, that is called 2 angle ACD, that is equation number 4. Now add equation second and 4. So जब आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन और फोर्थ को जब आप ऐड करोगे तो क्या आएगा, एंगल DAC प्लस एंगल BAC. यू नो वेरी वेल दैट DAC एंड BAC, these two angles are on straight line, so sum of these two angle is 180. Now angle this one is angle 2ACB plus 2ACD. taking common out angle 2, so what we get in bracket, that angle ACD plus angle ADC. So just check it, that angle ACD and ACB, sum of these two angle is angle BCD, that is 2 and 2 जो है वो 180 को डिवाइड करेगा, that is 90. So BCD की वैल्यू क्या आ गई हमारे पास 90 डिग्री. So it is a right angle triangle. Now in question number 7 we have given that a right angle triangle which is isosceles also, and we have given that AB is equals to AC and right angle at A. So we have to find what is the value of angle B and what is the value of angle C. So in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC, and you know very well opposite angles of these two sides are also equal. So angle B is equals to angle C. Let we are taking both angles equals to x degree. Now you know that angle sum properties, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Put the values of these three angles. Angle A is 90 degree, angle B is x and angle C is x. Add these two numbers, that is 2x. 90 जो है वो 180 में से माइनस हो जाएगा, दैट इज 90 डिग्री, और 2 जो है वो इसे डिवाइड करेगा, तो एंगल x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 45. सो एंगल B एंगल C जो है बोथ आर 45 डिग्री. And last question of this exercise, that we have given that angle ABC is a equilateral triangle, and we have to prove that each of three angles is equals to 60 degree. So now in triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. So AB is equals to AC is equals to BA. So you know very well, if opposite sides are equal, then if three sides are equal, then their corresponding opposite angles are also equal. So angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C. Now you know that angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Put the values of angle B, that is also equals to A, and what is the value of angle C, that is also angle A is equals to 180 degree. सम ऐड कीजिए इन तीनों नंबर्स को, दैट इज 3 एंगल ए इज इक्वल्स टू 180. 3 जो है वो यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर देगा, ए की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 60. सो वी नो वेरी वेल दैट एंगल ए इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल बी इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल सी, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री. So I hope students you have understand all these questions, and you can write down all these questions in your notebook. Best of luck, have a nice day.